Hello all, very good evening. This is Karthik from RajCloud Technologies. Can someone confirm me, like, are you able to see my screen and can you hear me properly, please? Can someone confirm in the chat box? Yeah, thank you so much. Thanks for the confirmation. So once again, I welcome you all to today's Snowflake DBT and ADF batch 9 session 1. I'll just give a 2 minutes introduction. So whoever joined today newly, so just like I'll just give a 2 minutes introduction about our social media handles and our website. So then I'll just yes. Yeah. So this is our website. So razinformatica.com. So we have a website with the name razinformatica.com. In our website, like you can find out like all our courses, like whatever we are offering here. So we are offering cybersecurity, GCP professional training, cybersecurity, AWS and DevOps, Azure data engineering, Databricks, Snowflake in the combination of DBT and ADF, Power BI, Informatica Power Center, Informatica Cloud, Python full stack, Java, Python for AI and ChatGPT, and like many courses like we are introducing here. So keep browsing our website so that like you'll get the complete updates about all the new courses. Even we are about to start new courses like GenAI, Generative AI, Salesforce, Kids Coding, and many other courses like we are launching this month. So just keep browsing our website so that like you'll be updated on each and everything. So we have a YouTube channel as well. You can check out here, Raj Informatica Real-Time Hands-on Job-Based Training. So this is our YouTube channel. So in this YouTube channel, like you can find out like many useful videos here. Even the today's session will be uploaded here in this YouTube channel only. Okay, you can find out here like after completion of the session. So we are uploading like many useful interview questions on different technologies like AWS, DevOps, Azure, Snowflake, Power Center, Informatica Power Center, Informatica Cloud, Power BI, like this. So on each and every course, like we are uploading the useful content here. So keep browsing our YouTube channel as well. Just subscribe. So if you like our videos, like and comment on the videos as well, so that like you will be getting like more updates on our trainings, and like whatever the videos we'll be uploading here, you can just get it here. Okay, and we have a social media handle of Instagram as well. You can just like follow us on Instagram too, so that like you will find all the job openings here. We will be posting the job openings continuously on our stories, so that like you can get all the job openings here. So just follow our Instagram page for more jobs. I request Sai Sri to take over from here. Sai Sri, are you available?
Yeah, I'm there.
Yeah, please take over from here.
Yeah.
And just a second, please, just a second. So I request everyone, so if you have already added to the group, that is fine. If not, we'll just take a 30-second break. We'll just take a 30-second break. Just post your name and WhatsApp number in the chat box, so that you will be added to the Snowflake DBT ADF Realtime project WhatsApp group, so that you can get all the updates here and you can discuss like whatever the like doubts you have, and the project discussions and the job openings, everything will be posted here in this group. So just post your name and WhatsApp number. We'll start in just 30 seconds. Yeah, thank you all for sharing
Okay.
your numbers. Sai Sri, you can start, please.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So, yes. Hi everyone. Good evening. My name is Sai Sri and I'm trainer for the Snowflake. I'm going to cover the things in this this particular demo about Snowflake actually and combination of AWS, Azure, DBT. Why we are going with that combination? What will help you with the help of, with my trainings, what you can gain, what support I will provide to you. Everything I'll explain into end. So before coming to that, let me introduce myself. I have overall 10 plus years of experience in IT, and in this experience, I am working almost from past 5 years completely on Snowflake. And trainings also from past 4.5 years, near to 5 years, I am working on totally Snowflake trainings, pure Snowflake trainings. So initially I started my career with the big data. Later on, I completely moved into Snowflake because of lot of benefits for my profile and for my personal life also. That's the reason why I'm staying from long time in this Snowflake. I started as a Snowflake developer. Now I'm working with the Snowflake with AWS, Snowflake with Azure, Snowflake with DBT. Different combinations also have a practical knowledge and experience through my project. So that all information I'll share in everyday classes. Means based on the topic I'll share with you. So coming to my part, I'll take care about the training classes. I will go to each. I'm going to cover each and every topic what we promised to you, and also I'll take care profile. I will suggest you what direction you have to do. So all kind of interview tips, learning tips, everything I'm going to handle. Okay, and once completed this this particular course, then after completing your preparation, I'm going to take mock interviews. Okay, this all everything I'm going to cover, guys. Just you have to learn the subject. Once you completed, attend for mock interviews and prepare your resume with my guidance. That's it. So 100% there's a chance to get the job for you. Okay, why Sai Sri, you are saying with confidence why I will get job 100%? Is yes, I'm not teaching only Snowflake. If I'm going with only Snowflake, there's a chance of 50% only, but I'm going with the trending combination. Snowflake with the DBT. Check in the market, Snowflake with the DBT. Lot of profiles are there, but nobody are filling that profiles because very less sources are available about the DBT. I mean, to learn DBT, we don't have that much easy way to in the market. So that's the reason people are not able to explore actually. Bit practice or bit training is required for DBT combination. So I'm covering that important and very demand combination of Snowflake with DBT. Along with that, my students should be benefit with a different combination of cloud providers also. That is the reason what are the trending cloud providers we have, AWS and Azure. I am going to keep that kind of combination also in my training. So you will see the combination of all this along with the Snowflake. That's the reason if company is coming forward for a profile, you are with Snowflake, you are with the DBT, you have the cloud provider knowledge. So there is no very less chance to reject your profile. Maybe your experience is not suitable for that role, or a location is not suitable. Very rare cases, rare issues will be there. That's it. Subject wise, combination wise, you will be fit to any job. Okay, that's the reason with the confidence I'm saying. Even my profile combination also, this is the same combination I'm working right now. So with that confidence I'm saying, you will have lot of demand in your on your based on your profile, you'll have lot of demand in the market. There's no doubt in that. So yeah. Before going to Snowflake, let me go with a small introduction. Why I need to learn Snowflake? Why the Snowflake is coming into the market? What is the purpose exactly? What is happening? I will go with a bit information about that. See guys, Snowflake actually, if we keep Snowflake aside, in market generally, okay, in market we have database, okay, and data warehouse. This is the thing what we have in market. Okay, data warehouse and database, this is the only two important tab. One is OLTP, online transaction process, which capture the real-time data. OLAP, online analytics process, which capture the near to real-time data. Okay, so one database is mainly to capture the real-time data. For example, your phone pay. You'll do transaction, immediately check your balance. Your account related amount will be figures will be changed immediately. If debited or credited, whatever it may be, that's not a matter. But it 100% the numbers, the amount will be changed. Modifications will be there, right? How it is happening? Because our bank accounts are connected to database. A lot of backend processing is happening. That's the reason that I mean very immediate action is happening on our accounts. For example, I'm saying, okay. So same way in real time in many projects, not only banking, in many projects, database is very important. Then why need to go data warehouse? Already database is available for data, right? Real time data. Yes, I will agree. But what about analytics? What about analytics, guys? Analytics means suppose if you are doing any business, you are by your own, you are doing one business. What you will do every day, you will check what people are liking from your business and what product is having more sales, what product is not at least one very less count of sales is happening. That all check you will do. Okay, if it is startup company, yes, you can do bit manually, bit support of your team members, not a problem. But if it is a huge project, huge company, okay, at least mid-level company, so in that cases we cannot proceed with this combination, right? With the manual team members. So analytics is very important for every business. It may be small or big, whatever it may be. If you observe any generally hotel or restaurant something, they will provide based on their what item having more demand, they will increase the quantity of that item only, right? So some kind of combinations every business people will add here, right? So that moment we have to understand the analytics. To understand the analytics, you should do the OLAP. So online analytics process. Okay, this is also fine. Data warehouse for analytics process, for analysis in the business data. Then we already have so many technologies, right? Traditional. We have Teradata, Informatica, so many are there. Then why I need to choose Snowflake? Yes, I'll agree. We have a lot of traditional process. Still, we have to choose Snowflake because lot of benefits are there with the cloud technology. That are traditional, but with the cloud, we have a lot of benefits. One benefit, source. If you go to the source system, very few sources are going to connect with the other technologies traditionally. With a lot of complications. But if you compare with the Snowflake, n number of sources, 100 plus, bring any source, there will be some way to connect. Maybe it is not regular, very rare cases you'll get the data from source. Some connectors or something process will be there to go with that connector, to connect with that particular source. Okay, something will be there, guys. So here that Snowflake is giving the flexibility to connect with any other any type of sources. And also Snowflake have semi-structured data management. It can. Even few traditional database data warehouse also can do. Same way Snowflake also can handle the semi-structured data. And also one more benefit is traditional data warehouse data you cannot share easily. But Snowflake you can share easily because we have data sharing concept. Okay, we have data sharing concept, guys. Because of this data sharing concept, immediately whatever the data you want with a secured way, not unsecured way, secured way, you can share the data with other consumer. Okay, so this is not possible in our traditional. Same way, speed issues. If you want to scale up or scale down, the scale out, whatever it may be, if you want to do some changes in your resources, traditionally, it's not straightforward, it's not easy. Okay, lot of manual and what we'll say, backend people support is required. But if you go to Snowflake, nobody support. If you have permission to modify that warehouse, that's enough. Automatically, based on your complex queries, it will increase the resources. Based on your normal queries, it will allocate those required credits only to execute. So, based on your workload, it will adjust the resources. Nothing to do manually here. Slow running queries. Yes, in Snowflake, we can overcome that with the giving perfect credits to consume then to trigger the query. That we can achieve in Snowflake, which we cannot achieve in the traditional. Okay, resource management, that all we can achieve in Snowflake comparing to the traditional. Not only this, simple, very easy, straightforward, complex of infrastructure. Yes, guys. If you want to set up traditional, you want to make the infrastructure management with manually, right? Admin team, all this setup is required. Software, hardware setup, server rooms, all this is required. But if you go to Snowflake, nothing like that. It's a straightforward. Snowflake not required that. It's a totally GUI interface. Nothing. If you want to practice also, nothing to install from your system. Just you will have GUI. How you will open your email ID? New mail ID you want to open. Okay, create. How like you will do almost same similar way you have to do the Snowflake account creation. Very straightforward. So no infrastructure, no backend process, no much admin team. Actually, client side only one or two people work as admin. Maximum no admin is required for Snowflake. Maintenance is less because whatever we are facing in traditional that we are reducing here. Cloud service layer is there, right? With the help of that cloud service layer, we can reduce the maintenance. Languages also, not only SQL. Snowflake is created on the SQL, which I'll agree, but it will support our language, JavaScript, even Python also. Okay. All this it will support. We won't use, but still it will support. Okay, this all. Slow and limited decision making. See, if you want to go with more queries, Snowflake will allow. There is no limitations for the queries or users like traditional. Snowflake have unlimited query users, unlimited users also. Okay, like this. So optimization technique, not only one or two guys, so many benefits are there with the help of the cloud, I mean Snowflake comparing to the cloud. Okay, these all benefits saying that Snowflake is good to use right now in the market, not traditional. Okay, the Snowflake data will get the data from source systems to Snowflake. It will do transformations. That transformations again will the transformed data, final data set will consumed by many different kind of like data science, maybe machine learning, maybe Tableau, whatever it may be, whatever the people, I mean departments want, they all can get our data from Snowflake to target. It will support to integrate that also. Okay, so source system 100 plus, target also many sources it's supporting. In middle of that, it is storing the data, it is doing the transformations and pushing the data into final table. This all benefits are done by the Snowflake. So then, Sai Sri, if you are saying we no need to do install, then how I can manage as per my requirement? Here no upgrades also. Version 1 upgrade, version 2 upgrade, version 3, nothing like that here. No upgrades. Okay, what here we have means just we have additions. Our admin, I mean, who is our client? They will decide while they are creating the account. We no need to keep our hands also. Just they will decide when they are creating the account. They will decide for one time. Standard account. Okay, it's completely SQL interface. It will provide few concepts like data sharing, one day time travel. Very limited concepts is going to provide for us. But because of this, we are missing time travel and we are missing multi-clustering concept, metallization view. This advanced feature we are missing in standard. That's the reason whatever the features are added here, that features is added plus enterprise. In enterprise edition, whatever the standard, I mean standard edition features is there, that all features are added in enterprise plus. Plus means additionally these features also added. So these all features added. Additionally, multi-clustering, 90 days time travel, all these are added in the enterprise. So if your business is, if it your business is e-commerce kind of business, it's a big, large files you are going to receive, it's a big business, then based on that you have to choose this. Then what about a business critical? All the features, whatever we have enterprise plus additional features. The difference between these two is bit security part. Yes, if you want to handle the sensitive data, Snowflake will recommend to use this edition. If it is normal data, go to enterprise. No, it's a sensitive data, banking data, shares data, kind of data. Always go with the business critical. Because it is providing bits more security comparing to other editions. Okay, And no, we need our separate virtual private means virtual private. I mean privately for my company only. I want virtual servers separately means then we can go with the VPS. Okay, this VPS will provide separate you as per your required. I mean, whatever the servers required privately for you, only dedicated things will be provided to you. In that case, also it is including business plus means all the features in business it is going to include plus additionally it is providing dedicated virtual servers. Generally, the most demanding is enterprise and business guys in market right now. We didn't see standard 100%. We won't have any projects because it's a base level features only. Next two levels are very lot of projects they are using. This is bit like required people because cost base is also very limited people. There is a chance to take this. So you no need to upgrade anything. No upgrade option. Just one time your team will get the account based on the required edition. That's it. This users will add it there. Okay, how Snowflake is different means with a single piece per data means it will get the raw data. It will, at the parallelly it will able to transform the data and it will provide the target data or means final data. Everything single place. Any kind of source can attach transformations and any target can consume the data. Single placed for the data means end to end we can complete here. Scale and concurrency means if you want to scale up or scale down whatever you want you can make automatic with the help of multi-clustering. We have multi-clustering concept that is helping to manage this scaling process. Zero management. Cloud service layer already available. In our Snowflake architecture class, you will understand what is cloud service layer. That is already available. So using this cloud service layer, we are going to do zero management. Maximum, there is nothing to manage from our side. It will take care of end-to-end security, permission, privileges, everything it will take care. And live data sharing. Yes, and just now I showed you data sharing, right? Yes, whatever the data you want to share and you want to update backend, immediately the data will be visible to consumer. Means live, lively. I mean, same what a consumer provider is doing, same data changes will happen in consumer also. Live things we can capture here. So this so many features are there. It's only few features I took. Time travel to get the historical data. Like this, multiple features are available in our Snowflake. Few I added here. Okay. So that's the reason Snowflake is a unique architecture because multi-clustering concept, data sharing concept, scaling policy, zero management, and also time travel policies. So many guys, so many topics are there to make the to say this is the unique technology. Okay, if you want to compare Snowflake with, I mean, for example, if you want to compare Redshift with Snowflake, because many people will get doubt. Sai Sri already Redshift is there in AWS. We can go with that, right? Yes, we can go. Because, but still now projects coming from Redshift to Snowflake only because some complications. Redshift have combination of or bundled of compute and storage. Snowflake have separate storage layer and there is no separate workload. Snowflake can handle that. It can handle semi-structured data. And only this particular Redshift, simple way is, this Redshift will support only for AWS combination project only. But Snowflake, if you go with Azure, it will support. If you go with AWS, it will support. If you go with GCP, it will support. Go with any combination, it will support. Okay, so it's like it is covering all the combinations, but Redshift is covering only AWS combination. Okay, if not only Redshift, Teradata, one best example for Teradata difference. This is also like whenever you have previous data, you want your backup, previous changed data, backup data. You have to do lot of support work here. First, you have to send the mails. You have to work on Saturdays to get the backup. It is time based and time consuming process and also cost consuming process, both not one. So in that case it's very difficult to handle. To avoid this issue what we can do means in Snowflake I can use time travel concept. Okay, with a time travel concept without help of anyone means without anybody's help, means admin team, seniors, all these people. Okay, nobody I need to I don't want, I mean I don't need to, sorry, I don't want to ask anybody's permission or support or confirmation because I can do the backup without disturbing our existing data. Very easy with the time travel. That we cannot get in the Teradata. That's a small and very live example. Okay, not only data, compare with Oracle also. It just Oracle means hardware setup. If I take hardware management, will be maintenance fees, will be software setup. This all are there in Oracle. But if you go to Snowflake online, just a cloud, you can work anywhere from the world if you have internet. That's it. Very simple way. Just GUI interface, how you log, if you are able to log in your web Gmail, then you will be able to log in into Snowflake. That's enough. That internet is enough. Okay. Just with the help of internet, you are going to handle all this. If you see GUI also, very straightforward, guys. It will provide the worksheets to create any query. See, my previous class session, this is. So if I want to write any code, I can go with this. Just you have to know the SQL knowledge. Anyway, our team is providing the SQL knowledge also. You have to get the information from them. They'll provide the SQL classes also. So if you have SQL knowledge, just I don't prefer any language, just SQL only. We will write the SQL queries and we will do the process. We'll execute everything. Okay, this is databases. If you want deep level, you can go with the database also. Inside database, again, you'll have schemas. It may be first class for you. It's not like you cannot get into everything right now, but just I'm giving overview. So tables, streams, tasks, this all concepts, almost all concepts of this list I'm going to cover. Okay, so this all, I mean, if you are able to understand this all topics, it will be very easy to handle the project. And also role creation, user creation, warehouse creation, database creation, privileges, end to end I'm going to cover. So you don't need to think, oh, I don't have IT knowledge, I don't know what is Snowflake, I don't know how to use computer, nothing like that. Just to come and dedicatedly work, sit in class and try to learn. That's enough. If you missed any class, we are providing recordings also. On regular basis, you should be on the track. End to end, I will take care about the subject. Okay, so now everyone seriously, we have this many openings in market means yes, guys, we have openings in the market. Snowflake, the data engineer people will say, Snowflake developer people will say, see, just Snowflake keyword, I got this many openings. Just keyword only, I didn't do anything. Okay, Snowflake with a DBT, our requirement only. And it is 2 to 6 years. 2 years means here many people will get doubt. 2 to 6 means I should have knowledge or experience from at least 2 years in Snowflake. That's not the meaning. Overall experience they're expecting 2 to 6 years. Okay, Genpact, purely Snowflake. Even Snowflake also, I mean, pure Snowflake jobs also will be available. Okay, Snowflake, Pune, Snowflake developer. Women are preferred. Okay, you have this category also in Infosys mainly. So like this, so many things, guys. You can check so many openings are there. This list you can see how many companies are looking for Snowflake. So it's a demanding technology. Already demand is started from past 2 years. At least if you are able to take a step right now, coming up here, you can be happy with, like, you can settle down easily because people started learning now. So easily you can crack the jobs. If you go to Wipro, go with any company name also, you'll get the Snowflake jobs. For example, let's see, Snowflake DB developer. People will say different headings. No need to worry. Snowflake developer, Bangalore, Hyderabad one option. Wipro, Snowflake developer, Bhubaneswar. Just Wipro I mentioned. Snowflake with DBT. See 3 to 8 years. Okay, Snowflake. So many. I'm just to get only Wipro I touched. Okay, only Wipro and Snowflake keyword 5674 requirements. I mean filters I got. Okay, so whatever I am explaining you, that top, if you are able to learn that properly, 99% you will get the job. But that practice is important. How you are practicing is also important for me. just not listening the class and just not going like that. Practice is very important step here in the training. If you are able to complete your practice, 100% you will get the jobs, guys. No doubt in that. Okay. And one more update for you. I don't know how many of you checking the chat. Uh, what I want to announce means our admin team Karthik need to speak with you about the other things about the training and all this information. So after completing my portion, please stay on the line. Okay, don't go out because he is trying to announce one offer to you. Lot of things he will discuss. Please stay on the call. Okay. Yeah. Vamshi, you want to ask me? Yeah, Vamshi, actually, if I start giving that information, I mean, if I go with the deep level of the subject now, you cannot understand. Okay. I mean, it will take some, you have to settle down on regular basis. At a time, I cannot push everything into a right now. But slowly, if I am going with everyday class, I can give more details about the Snowflake. Okay. Just overview I brought in this PPT, not more than that. If you want to learn total clear content, you have to join in the class. Okay. I already unmuted. If you have any question, Vamshi, you can ask now. Yeah. Tell me. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, tell me. I can hear you.
Madam, actually, I'm from pharmaceutical background.
Oh, okay.
I have 3+ years of experience.
Okay.
Can I shift for this?
3 years, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, good to switch. No need to
Okay.
keep doubt. If you have any doubts, just connect with my admin team. Your profile is suitable.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Hello,
And
ma'am.
some,
Yeah. Hello.
yeah, tell me.
Any basic, any knowledge required?
Yeah,
Three
1
bit
minute.
knowledge?
I'll give that information. Guys, everyone, not only to Vamshi, everyone required this information. What is the prerequisite to learn Snowflake or to do the job means SQL. Only SQL. Our team is providing those classes also. Just take the update from admin team. They will provide the classes. There is some processing steps. If you complete, you will get that recordings and classes. Okay. So SQL is important, Vamshi, here. Only SQL I'm expecting from you guys, not more than that. Because Snowflake, everything I'm going to train you. But if you are very very new to SQL means better follow our recordings. It will be helpful for classes also. That's
I
it.
have basic knowledge, ma'am, SQL.
Yeah, still Vamshi, take recordings from our team. That will be very helpful. You have to focus on SQL. Okay. Snowflake, nothing. You no need to do any R&D right now. I will take care about Snowflake. Just SQL you have to focus. Everyone have to do same thing. So I
Okay,
don't know
I
Python.
understand.
I
This
don't
is
know.
Karthik. Oh, sorry.
Sorry, sir.
Please,
Yeah,
Sai Sri.
Karthik.
Yeah.
Carry on.
Yeah,
Carry
thank
on.
you. Vamshi, no need to worry about this SQL and all. Okay, so we will be providing you the complete SQL knowledge here, like from like how to what is data, how to create a table from there. Like we'll take care on that. No need
Okay.
to worry about that. Yes.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yeah.
I have a question. Hello.
Yeah.
So, like, is any other tool like ADF is covered in this Snowflake class, right? Azure
Right.
Data Factory.
Yes. ADF is
So,
going to be covered.
so a person would be like doing the whole end-to-end data engineering, right? Extract,
Uh,
load, and transform.
hmm.
Okay, because I wanted to know like
See, for
some of the
example,
projects.
why I'm
Yeah.
using these topics also I'll explain. Azure is related to ADF, right? So Azure is also included because of ADF. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Data
And
will, with the help of ADF, you will pick the data and you'll keep in Snowflake. With the help of Snowflake, you'll do transformations in DBT and you'll load back to Snowflake. That's the reason everything is important. Why AWS
how
means
and what is the duration of this course? Like, how long is this course
45
will last
days minimum 45 days.
from the date of joining? So,
Yeah,
when is the
minimum
first
because
class? When
holidays,
will
all this Saturdays,
yeah.
Sundays will be included, right? So
Yeah, so when will
minimum.
the first class start, ma'am? Like I have some
Uh,
doubt.
Friday first class will be there. Just check with our admin team at the end, okay?
Yeah, sure. Sorry for that. Yeah.
Yeah, just check with admin. They will give confirmation. So if
Okay.
you go, I will go with AWS combination. I'll go with ADF combination. Both process I will cover. It will be helpful for your resumes. I will explain why it is helpful and what you can achieve through this. Everything I'll explain. Yeah. Another question? Someone has tried.
Hi, Sai Sri.
Yeah.
So, yeah, while going on the classes, will you show something regarding ML applications
No,
like any machine
eh,
learning kind of things?
ML is not related to Snowflake developers.
Actually, I
Okay.
have seen something on the
Yeah,
screen
yeah.
that
One, I'll show
ML
you.
is there.
I'll show you.
Yes.
Yeah. AML people required our data.
Okay.
The
So this,
Snowflake people, yeah, Snowflake will be one of the source for ML people. Okay. And one more thing I'll show you. See, Snowflake is also trying to give the ML, ML and AI actually. They're trying to give, still it's under progress. But if it is in, if completely Snowflake is doing this also, we are not coming under AI and ML job, only Snowflake developer job.
so during the live, I mean, whenever you are joining somewhere as a Snowflake developer,
Huh.
so after we working on that, then
Hmm.
AML people are going to work on our data. Is that like that?
Something like that. For them, they want only cleaned data. They
Okay.
never touch the uncleaned data. So between the source and between ML people, you will be the middle part. ML people, what they will do is strategies they will provide. That is different case again. Strategies.
Okay. So here we are going to clean the data from raw material, right?
A raw data. Source will provide the data to a Snowflake. We will clean it. We will do transformation. We'll make it in a proper, what we'll say, proper data sets. That data set will provide to Tableau, Power BI, ML,
Okay.
whatever it may be, all the cases, all the people
So
who is
that
doing
means
it.
that means what we are going to make structured kind of data, right?
Not only structure, business valid columns we will add and we will do some business related queries also. Just not making in a structured way.
Okay.
Suppose
Okay.
if you go with the product data, one company is there. If you want to understand product is sold, I mean how many
Hmm.
products are sold, who purchased, which location. This all information won't get from one table. Am I right? So you
Yes.
will
Yes.
touch the product table and
Hmm.
sales table and customers
Okay.
table, something like that. All combinations you will touch. You will do joins. Finally, your output table will say product ID, for example, some laptop.
PID will be there. Yeah.
Laptop and who purchased it, how many pieces, how many rejections, all the set will come. So lot of work we have to do with SQL only.
Okay. Okay. So while doing the exercises, whatever the classes that we do, so
Mm-hmm.
will you explain the business plan or the basic
See,
plan?
business plan is not here. Business plan means again people will stick to one company, one project only. If you now at least 56 members are there in call, for example, 30 members going with my plan means it will be like some fake only, right? It won't look like genuine. General I'm saying. So my concentration will be like how to make your resume into Snowflake. It looks like separate. For others, it looks like different projects. But internally, you'll do the same process. Everyone will prefer same pipelines will do.
So after listening the classes, we have to purchase that product, right? Like $2, $3 that you mentioned in the PPT. So do we have to purchase the product or we have to make it practice?
Nothing. Zero money you have to invest. Nothing. Free 1 month free trial account is there for Snowflake. 1 month it is free. If it is expired, again you can create. One email ID is enough to create
Okay.
100 accounts. No need of repeated mail IDs. For Azure AWS also free and even DBT also free. DBT is free for lifelong. One time you can create, lifelong you can use. DBT no problem. Azure AWS 1 year warrant, 1 year free for us. Snowflake every month it will expire. You have to create new accounts with same email ID.
Okay.
That's
So you
it.
said 45 sessions, right? Like Monday to
Minimum
Friday? Hmm.
Monday to Friday. If any festival something like that, we will get break. So don't keep like 45 figure. 45 minimum. That's it.
No,
Okay,
I mean to
because
say 45 days or 45 sessions,
45
including
sessions. No, no,
excluding
no.
Saturday, Sunday, right?
Yeah, 45 sessions. We am saying not days.
All right, all right. Thank you,
Depends
thank you.
on batch. I will increase or maximum. I will increase 1 or 2 classes because they are not getting into that topic. Or the topic is tough. They want one more repeated classes. I'll
Yeah.
increase the classes. So individual. I am only the trainer. Nobody will pressure me to give the. You have to complete this date within this day this training. So I have all the freedom to take n number of classes. No need to worry. Okay.
We can also get the recordings of these sessions, right?
Every day you will get recording, every day you will get PDF from my side. Recordings and PDF will taken care by the admin team. I'll provide to them, they will provide to you through the mails, all this. That will explain by admin team, okay?
Admin team.
What
Thank you.
process. Yeah.
Thank you.
Hi, Sai Sri, Praveen here.
Yeah, Praveen. Yeah, hi,
Yeah.
Praveen.
Yeah, I have a small doubt. This
Huh?
Snowflake, is it work as like ETL?
Yeah, right. Like
So
ETL.
we have to extract the data from the source and we have to
Source,
transform and we have to
transform.
load into customer,
Yeah.
right? Yeah,
Yes.
yeah, yeah. Like
Same.
Informatica, PowerCenter, how we can do same.
Obviously, you can say Informatica, like Informatica. People now coming from Informatica to Snowflake, actually like Informatica. Similar.
Okay. Similar has it, right?
Similar.
This is completely ETL.
ETL only. It will extract the data, it will transform the data, it will use for all purpose. Load,
Then modify the data and do the,
whatever
yeah.
whatever
in
we
the-
are doing in ETL tools that we can perform here.
Okay, sure, sure.
Store
Got it.
procedures is there. Just go through our course content. So store procedures, tasks, so many concepts, guys. If I cannot give list all this list, but
Okay.
maximum what required for Snowflake developer, maximum I'm covering. Because I am working person. Right now I'm working with Snowflake projects only. I have that knowledge what is important for the candidate right now in the market. I'm following the process, same process.
Okay, and one more thing, Oracle SQL part, we have received one more recorded videos from the Karthik Raja.
Okay.
So we have to go for that separately, right? You want to be covered on the SQL part?
No. That's the reason team is providing initial days only.
Yeah. Okay,
Yeah.
okay. So we have to learn partially from your Snowflake as well as Oracle, right?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Maximum that recordings are enough to go. You no need to worry. Intermediate knowledge is best to go with the Snowflake. So completing my course within that, if you are very new to not beginner also, zero level also, you can be like intermediate level. Daily 10 questions, 5 questions, all the tips I'll provide. How to learn SQL also follow that. That is enough for you. Everyone, this is. Yeah, sorry, someone is asking.
Yeah,
hi,
madam. This is Kumar.
Yeah, Kumar, tell me.
Yeah, madam. Thanks for the demo, madam. Madam, I have a question.
Huh?
Madam, this is a database and a ETL, both the thing, Snowflake means?
Database and data warehouse people will say. Why database they are saying means it have capability to store the data also. You don't want to go depend on any other tools. Just inside of Snowflake only you can store. Why they are saying and database also means actually Snowflake Cloud Data Warehouse. This is the full technology name. Why they are saying data warehouse means that's on top of the existing data, it have capability to do transformations. So both things you will cover here. But we should not say Snowflake database, Snowflake Cloud Data Warehouse only. That is the
So that
requirement.
means we can store the data inside the Snowflake. At the same time, we can also do the ETL within the Snowflake.
Yes. Snowflake, yeah. Don't want to go out of that.
Okay, madam. One question, madam. See, I'm in Azure also we have storage and ETL also ADF, right?
ADF is there. Yes, I will agree.
And
Azure is there.
so how it is different from that, madam? Snowflake, how it is different from?
If you check ADF, actually, I also worked with ADF. Now also I'm working. ADF is not flexible for all the transformations. If you observe, if you want to write store proc, you'll go somewhere, you'll write store proc and you'll call. Right? All the transformations you can bring at one place. That is ADF. ADF is not pure transformation platform, right? I want to do joins of two tables. Is it possible in ADF? Maybe it is possible, but not directly as like Snowflake. Some activities we have to
it is
involve.
more friendly.
More friendly, more. If you touch Snowflake, you won't go to ADF part only. That much friendly thing with ADF. Sorry, Snowflake. Yeah.
Okay, madam.
We are using Snowflake only for copy activity. I mean, only bringing the data purpose. I'm using ADF in my training. That's a benefit for students.
Okay, so after madam, means you said that in your project you are using the ADF only for data ingestion, right?
Copy
Bringing
activity,
the data to
Snowflake.
copy activity.
Yes,
and
right.
post that all the transformations you are doing in Snowflake, madam?
100%. Only Snowflake. We won't touch ADF only for transformation.
Okay. And madam, what is the architecture of Snowflake, madam? Like how it is storing the data Is it
That all
support
I will
both?
explain in the coming up classes. Only three layers we have. One is data storage, one is compute layer to run the queries, one is management layer that's called cloud service layer. With these three layers only, total entire work is happening. Details I'll give in coming up sessions.
Okay, so will it support both? What is that? No, SQL and NoSQL, madam?
No, only SQL. This is total SQL background. PL/SQL, no
Okay,
SQL,
okay.
not required.
I'm sorry. Actually, what I'm trying to ask is it support both relational and non-relational rows, means rows and data and files data? I'm sorry if my my question is wrong.
Yeah.
I think his question
It
is
means
like
Azure.
structured data, unstructured data.
Yes,
Semist-
yes, yes. Sorry.
Okay. Okay. Semi-structured data, XML, JSON, Avro, Parquet, ORC, CSV, all this will support. Right now in the market, CSV, XML, JSON, we are doing in the projects actually. Semi-structured
Okay.
data, structured data, unstructured data is videos, audios that is not supporting. Unstructured is not supported.
Okay. Okay, madam. And
Yeah.
does it have any streaming also, madam, or only
Stream,
batch view?
no, stream is there. Stream concept is there. Snowpipe is there. That all
Okay.
concepts are there.
Okay. Nice, nice. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Thanks, madam. Madam,
Maximum you'll satisfy with this.
get
Yeah.
how to
How
get
to
support from you, madam, in case of any doubts during the practice?
connect with our admin team. They will make the connect between us.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Thanks.
Hi, sir. So,
As you
this is
mentioned,
Virendra.
Ravitej, 1 minute. Raviteja, we don't want any JavaScript to extract the JSON. With SQL, I will provide you how to do. Ashish, for scheduling also, we have task concept in Snowflake itself. No need to go with outside scheduler. If any, based on requirement, we have to decide our other schedulers is required or not. But in Snowflake, we have scheduler. Sorry, one girl, I don't know the lady. Please, you ask the doubt.
yeah. So you were saying you will teach ADF. So what all you'll be covering in ADF?
How to load the data. That combination pipeline I'm going to cover. How to get the list of the files, copy the data, how to do additional work, connecting with the Snowflake, all that process I will do. No transformations. I'm not focusing on transformations.
So like I know Data Factory comes under Azure and
Right.
But how is the market for ADF if we learn that?
If you go with the combination, it is good. I will go only with ADF means that's not, market is not much good. People are expecting different technologies from your side. Single technology, nobody will prefer your profile mainly.
Okay.
That's the reason why I'm going with this many combination means I'm not asking to pro with all the topics, all the technologies. Snowflake and DBT, you should be strong. ADF Azure, whatever requirement is that, till that strong is enough. No need to learn end to end.
DBT, what is DBT?
DBT is for transformations, cloud platform. This is the next level to Snowflake to perform the transformation. Data
So
build
are
tool.
you covering the DBT also, madam? Here?
Yeah, I'm covering. My main things are Snowflake.
How many classes you are doing for ADF, Snowflake and DBT?
I am not separating the classes as of now. I don't have that idea also. With my flow, first I'll go cover Snowflake. That time only I'll cover AWS and then DBT, then ADF. That is the flow. And then project explanation.
Oh, you'll be teaching AWS also.
Everything, yeah. I am all the end-to-end trainer. So I will cover all the things.
Okay.
So I didn't divide the classes like that.
Okay, it's a mixture. Like whenever you need to ingest the data, you use the
AWS. Yeah, sometimes AWS, sometimes ADF. Depends.
Madam, can you tell something about some more details about DBT, madam? Is it a database or tool?
DBT is purely DBT data build tool. That is full form. DBT is a data build tool, mainly for transformations. Whatever we are doing in Snowflake, the next level we can do that in DBT. What is the benefit means deployment process is available in DBT, which is not available in Snowflake. That extension is added in DBT. So again, we will depend on Snowflake only, but intermediate, we will use DBT for all the reusable management code and deployment. All these combinations, we will use DBT. It's a benefit
So
for your profile, guys. Yeah.
okay, so in industry, this is the combination, madam. If any company in any
No.
project using this
Yeah.
Snowflake, they must use the DBT or
Must not. Snowflake, you will have jobs. Snowflake with DBT also you'll have jobs. Snowflake 100 profiles, 90 profiles they will filter. But Snowflake with the DBT, you won't get 100 profiles, maybe 50 or that. That also we don't know how many of them will filter.
okay.
That's a
So
combination, very rare combination right now in market.
only for deployment, we are using DBT,
Not only
right, madam? You
deployment,
mentioned.
transformations also we will do, macros we will
Okay.
do. So many are
Okay.
there. So much thing we can do. Snapshots are there, like SCD type 2, we can do snapshots. Test cases we can perform. Lot of things are there.
Madam, are you sharing this course content, madam? Because I
In
am seeing
website only available. Our team, once my
okay.
class is completed, they will show you again. Okay, how to go through that. They will guide you.
No, not madam. What are the topics we are covering? That course itinerary.
Everything is available in website. That's the reason I
In the
didn't
website,
display
okay.
here. Yeah, that
Okay,
will be
thanks. I will
repeated for
check
all.
there.
Yeah, please check there.
Yeah, thanks.
Yeah. Hi,
Other
Sai Sri.
someone,
This is
hi.
yeah.
Yeah.
So I'm from a QA background. So how
Okay.
easy it would be to learn this Snowflake, because I'm trying to migrate to move to development side.
If you don't mind, in lockdown, all of your QA batch only moved to Snowflake. If you observe, out of 10 profiles, 4 profiles they are coming from QA background only. So
Okay.
no need to worry.
Okay.
Just because I got this experience. Maximum my colleagues they used to say I am from QA background. I'm tester
Okay.
before Snowflake. So you no need to think about that point only. How many years of experience you have?
Yeah, I have 12 years.
Okay, that's still fine. No problem.
Okay. Yeah, thank you.
Hello.
Yeah.
And
Sai Sri.
how
Hello?
many days course is it?
Minimum 45 days. 45 days. I'm not giving exact figure, but 45 days right now.
And how many days will be covered separately for Snowflake, ADF, and DBT?
I don't have that like separation because I am only end-to-end trainer, right? I didn't separate it like that. So maybe minimum 45 days I'll cover all. If any extra classes required, I'll take 1 or 2 days. Okay.
So here 45 days will be sufficient for learning Azure, AWS.
With
So many things are there.
Azure, no. Snowflake and DBT is pure development we are learning. Okay, Azure ADF we are involving for copy activities only, not for in AWS. In AWS account I won't do Redshift all this, right? So I don't touch that. How to load the data from AWS to Snowflake, that part I will cover 2 to 3 classes. ADF also copy activity I'm doing. I'm not doing any transformation. How to perform copy activities with Snowflake, what connections, how to establish that I will cover. I'm not teaching total ADF part.
Okay, got it.
Hello.
Yeah.
And we
Hello?
are doing all the
Once we
transformation
complete this,
also.
once we complete this Snowflake, so what will be our profile like? What will be our role like as a
Snowflake
developer or
developer only.
Snowflake developer? So
Yeah.
like further, like once we comfort with the Snowflake, so is there any like upcoming course like upgrade how? So it's
Okay, like
for beginner.
architect or lead, something like that. Yeah. No, actually, if you are having more experience also, I will ask you to go with the developer minimum 1.5 year, 2 years. After that, automatically next profile you can jump to architect because there will be only difference between architect and developer is architect we require the business knowledge how to design the project. Same if you have developer knowledge, then only you can move to architect. The upon course not required and not there also. I'm focusing on developer mainly for your foundation should be strong.
Okay, good.
Okay.
What
So
about
many people will say you go to architect, but I don't say to go. Yeah, sorry, Raviteja.
the snow park? I have heard like
Snow
instead of
Park is not our part. It's again PySpark related. You know PySpark Big Data?
no, no. I am a completely. I am currently working with the ETL and along with the Amazon
Okay.
directly.
Big data technologies is there in market. If you in the internet also you'll get big data. In that big data, Spark is one part. That part already available in Databricks everywhere. Like that, Snowflake also they added. That's totally not our under our profile. It's Python related, total different direction. who is working with ML and AI, they will talk about the Snowpark.
I have another question. Maybe it is silly. Once
Yeah.
we open the Naukri, we will see multiple. If we call Snowflake Developer, we will see some of add-ons of technologies in the
Yeah.
Naukri. Online, like
Yes.
you need this along with this, you need that. Maybe that may not be useful during the after joining, but during the profile shortlisting, what kind of add-ons do we need to do along with the Snowflake?
See, Snowflake, my profile only I'm saying Snowflake, DBT, Azure, ADF, SQL, and one Tidal because I worked with a Tidal scheduler. You can also keep. I will show you anyway GUI. That's it. Despite the points only I kept in my resume as a key skills. If I will apply wherever I'll see Snowflake keyword, I'll apply. Wherever I'll see Snowflake with the DBT, I will apply. That's it. They will.
Matillion tool, right?
Sorry.
Matillion.
Matillion is the ETL tool between Snowflake and sources. That's now not running in the market.
Okay.
People stopped using that.
Okay. Does Snowflake have any analytics tool, or do we need to include with the Tableau or Power BI?
Nothing. That is separate zone. We are not into that. That's separate technology, separate team. We won't come under that.
So can we expect advanced topics to be covered in Snowflake?
See, basics to advanced, I'm going to cover.
Okay.
If you are able to complete my topics, you will be eligible to go for an interview. No doubt in that. Because what I know, if I sit in front of interview or in my profile, what topics are there, everything I'm teaching. So, yeah, if you practice, you will be also one Sai Sri only. No doubt in that, based on your practice.
Madam, you were telling something has stopped, madam. Can you say that again? Informatica and Snowflake, something you said.
Matillion, here some Ravitej asked about Matillion. Now it is not, the combination is not working in the market.
Okay, so Matillion is again another tool, madam.
Another tool, very long way, 2022, I remembered. That time people started experiments on that. Now maximum projects came back. That's not comfort for developers and project. No, they're not using.
Okay, yeah, thanks.
That's the reason I didn't touch. If I touch, it should bring some salary to my profile, right? I will see. Yes, frankly, I'm saying if I learn something, it should bring as a salary part only. So I will improve my knowledge. I want to develop my profile. This all is the second story. First story is if you learn something, that knowledge should allow you to earn more money. That's the point. That's everyone now. Everyone join in this demo, get more packages and one good demanding jobs only. For that purpose only you join. Even I am also working as a Snowflake developer from long time. I am enjoying my package literally. If I go to other technologies, maybe I'll get same package but hectic job life. This job life is very balancing. And as a lady, I am doing my life, everything. I'm giving trainings, I'm doing job and houseworks, everything I'm able to manage. The job pressure is very less. Very rare cases, if you are getting worst team, that cases you may suffer. Anyway, you can change your job, that's not a problem. But generally, that's the only one case where you will suffer. Or else, Snowflake job is very easy to do and also easy to earn the money. Nowadays, earning money is also important, right? That point
Yes,
is also valid. Yeah. So I won't agree. You came only for knowledge, for job, good what will say salary purpose. That will happen here.
Yeah, madam. Madam, since you are talking about package, what will be the expected salary range? One who completed this Snowflake, madam.
This I have to say in a different direction because suppose 3 years person is there, just Vamshi or someone. If we have already package of 15 lakhs, he can expect 4 or 5 lakhs on top of that. Already 3 years person 15 lakhs means right now market, it's a good package only. But the same person have 3 lakhs or 4 lakhs, he can get till 10 to 15. How I am saying means with not example, this is a live story. One lady, she is working from Google, I think so. That mapping some job. She have only 4 lakhs, 4 years experience, 4 lakhs package. Now she is getting 14 lakhs package in Ash Technology. With company name I'm saying. So depends. Okay.
Okay.
Depends on
One
your
with 10
profile.
years, madam. one with
10
10 years
years.
of
What
experience.
your package is also important for me. That's the reason I'm saying. Your package is
Not my package, madam. I'm just
okay.
checking. Okay.
10 years.
So,
Okay. My student example, and I'll say 10 years person have 12 lakhs package. I know this all professional. Maximum people are coming with that combination. Personally, when they speak, they will say 10 years person will come with 12 lakhs. Maximum cases 14 or 15 lakhs because they are working with the old technology still. That is the problem. In that case, you can expect generally 10 years, right? 25 to 30 you can expect, but your preparation is also important. How you are preparing, how you are giving interview. Minimum 25 to 30 easily they can expect. 16
okay. If
years,
one has
sorry.
already 30, madam, for example.
Sorry. I'll separately I'll give information. Yeah.
No, I'm
So generally
because
I'm saying see how much we get also we have to pay tax for the government only nowadays. We are working for government, not for us. That's a different story. 6.5 years, one boy have 30 lakhs package. This Snowflake technology only. So this all example here. Don't think okay. I will also get 30. Your current package is important. Your current experience is important. And when you are giving interview, that profile, that process also important. If your profile is looking very interesting to them, and your interview went very well, means 1 or 2 lakhs they will allow. The budget will be allowed to give. Suppose their budget is 25 lakhs for that company, they will allow you to give 27 to 28 also. Some cases. So package is not standard everywhere, differs from company to company.
Okay. Yeah, thanks.
Yeah. Abhinav, if my students are technically sound or not, non-IT or IT, that's not my part. I will cover each and every person. No need to worry about that because I don't know this how many people, 60 people are there almost. I don't know what is their background. I will take like, okay, everyone have zero knowledge, including me. From scratch, I will go. You ask me very small dot, I'll explain. No problem in that.
Yeah,
Teaching.
my name
Yeah,
is
yeah.
Manuel. Yeah,
Yeah,
what's
hi.
our meeting time?
Okay.
What's the time for the classes every week?
Our admin team, we are is actually evening time only. Admin will update to you. Please connect with them. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Are we doing any Snowflakes? Does it have anything to do with data pipeline, data integration?
Yeah, we have to do some integrations and pipelines. I will cover those things also.
Okay. Thank you.
Mahadev, yeah, what's your question?
Hello, ma'am.
Hello.
Yeah, myself Madhu. Ma'am,
Yeah,
actually, I'm from pharmaceutical background, and currently I'm working as a marketing executive. And before this, I have experience in scientific journals as an editing managing editor.
Okay.
So, how this course will be benefit for me?
If you want to change your career into IT, I won't keep that all in details only in your profile. I'll totally turn as a non-IT to IT profile. So if you want to turn it as, I'm not linking with your old, whatever existing or old knowledge or jobs. This is a separate zone. You can jump with your practice, you can get the job, no problem in that. Almost 4 years, the gap, ladies also getting the job, not a problem.
Hello.
Okay. Yeah, hello.
Yeah. So once we complete this course, so will there be any assistant for the certification, like for
I
Snowflake?
will provide that assistant. I will provide.
Okay. So like once like if the company is looking for the certification also, like they will ask.
No. Actually, in India, not required any certification. My certification already expired. I didn't do because nobody are looking at that. No need.
Oh, okay. Thanks.
Guys, remaining doubts our team will cover. Okay. Thank you, guys. Have a good day. Karthik, please take from here. Thank you, guys. See you in class.
I'll take over from
Thanks.
here.
Yeah.
So next class will be on Friday.
Yes, the next session will be on Friday actually. Okay, I'll
Okay.
just like give the a few details. Like many people are having many doubts in the chat box. Yeah, I'll take over like one by one now. So yeah, whatever the questions you have like regarding the registration or regarding the session timings or the schedule, anything you can just ask me, please.
Sorry, I have a question regarding the assignments.
Go
So
ahead, please.
we have to like, will we get the assignments in between the classes to complete?
Yes, correct. Okay, so you will be getting the like see once the topics are completed, say the minimum topics like 5 to 10 topics are completed. So the Sai Sri will be like sharing assignment numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4 or like that. So once she prepared the assignment, she will be like posting in the material and she'll inform you in the session as well. Okay, so by which date the assignment should be submitted, everything like she'll inform you in the session.
Okay, okay, thank you.
Yeah, the Snowflake timings, like someone asked here, the timings will be like evening 7 to 8:30 p.m. IST. 7 p.m. to 8:30 p.m. IST, the classes will be.
If required, any doubts which was not clarified in the online, is it okay with the offline? We can come to the institute and clarify the doubts, or only an online?
Like this, you're gonna see, like we are from KR from Horamavu, and Sai Sri is staying like Whitefield. Okay, so we cannot like make the trainer available for offline as she is also working. So like what we can do is see till now like we have done with 8 batches. Okay, this is our 9th batch. Whatever the doubts you have, okay, so for sure like we'll be clearing in the online. If not cleared in the sessions, you can connect like one-to-one with the Sai Sri and you can clear. No need to worry about that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Karthik, have you added in the group for like this one?
Sorry, come again, please.
Have you added the group like for this like for upcoming well like from the Friday?
Yes, like actually like few people have already added to the group actually. So still like my team is adding a few people. So don't worry about that. You will be added to the group by today. Yeah, by today EOD like it will be added. No issues. After the session itself, I will be guiding them to add you. Okay, no issues.
We have a lots of group now, so we are just confused like which group is the one like we have to follow.
Don't worry with the batch name with the batch number. It will be like Snowflake DBT and ADF RajCloud Technologies batch 9. Okay.
Okay.
So no issues. It will be given to you. Yeah.
Thanks.
So
So
as
what
many
about the school fees? Means course fees.
Yes, I am just like coming to that point itself. I have received like many messages as well regarding this registration procedure and all. Yes, I'll be helping you throughout the procedure now. Okay. So I just like want to make sure like clear you each and everything. So in this training, you are going to cover Snowflake, DBT and ADF. The Snowflake and DBT will be fully covered 100%. Coming to this ADF and AWS like will be like partially covered, like whatever the related topics will be covered. So those things will be covered in this training. This training duration is so you can block your 2 months. You can block your 2 months for this training. The batch is started from today itself. Today is the first session that we have gone through. So like previous classes are the demo sessions that we have done with already. So today is the first session and for 1 week or 2 weeks. Okay. So as per the student's requirement, so 1 week or 2 weeks, we will be going through alternative days. That means the classes will be having only on Monday, Wednesday and Friday. Okay, so if you are comfortable within 1 week itself, so everyone is created your Snowflake account, so everyone is like good with the practice. So if you are in the flow, then we'll be taking the continuous classes even after 1 week only. If not, we'll extend this for 2 weeks, the first 2 weeks. Okay, so then like we'll be going for the live sessions, like continuously sessions, like weekly 5 classes. We'll be going with that. Okay, this is the duration and all. Coming to the fee. Okay, so the fee is 15,000 rupees for this course. Okay, I'm just sharing my screen again, just a second. Yeah, so this is our website. Hope you can see the fee. The course fee is 15,000 rupees. So still the many people are not enrolled, like still we have the seats left. So we are offering this course for just 13,500 rupees if you make the payment today. So if you make the payment today, so you will be getting this benefit actually. So see, I'm just like telling you once again, see the people who enrolled earlier, I mean, before this session, they got like more discount as well. Okay, so I'm telling you once again, if you plan today, if you haven't enrolled yet, so still there is a chance to get a discount of 1,500 rupees, and you are going to make the payment of only 13,500 rupees if you go for the payment today. Okay, so for any, see, we accept like all the payment modes. We accept like a UPI, bank transfer, net banking, international transfer. Everything is available with us. No need to worry about that. So if you want any assistance regarding your registration and all, you can just like WhatsApp me, or you can just call us on these numbers. You can see the screen, right? This one, 810-529-6858. So this is our like calling and WhatsApp number as well. You can just share the things here. Okay.
And what all topics would be covered? Like, can we get the table of contents, or the the topics will be which topics will be covered in the session?
Yes, I'll be helping you on this. So hope you can see my web page, right? You can see my screen, right?
Yes.
Yes. So hope like you can see my screen clearly. Like this is the page. I'll be sharing this page link with you. I'll be like sharing this page link in the chat box, so that like from here you can just check out like all the content, like what will be covered in this training. Yes, I have shared with you. You can just check it out.
Okay.
Okay, so each and every topic like we clearly mentioned, and someone like asked me about the Oracle, right? So yes, see, if whoever enrolling for this Snowflake training, we are providing this as a complimentary training. Okay, whatever these Oracle SQL concepts are there, so these Oracle SQL concepts, like we will be providing it for free of cost. No need to worry about that. I'll just share the screen once again. Just a minute. Yeah, hope you can see my screen, right? Can someone reply?
Yes, Karthik. We
Yeah,
can
thank you
see.
so much. So someone asked me about these like Oracle SQL classes. So these are the complementary training. Okay, so this is the Oracle SQL. You can get it just for free of cost. So these are the topics that we'll be covering in this Oracle SQL. Absolutely, like you'll be getting like around 15 hours of training for free of cost. You will get the like Oracle SQL softwares to install, and so how to practice the things, each and everything. My team will be assisting you on this.
Hello,
Yes, Vamshikar, go ahead, please.
sir. Evening batch 7 p.m. No, sir. Again, yeah, I see in the PPT. Again, morning batch also there, no, sir. 8 a.m.
Yes, correct. We are having a two batches actually. See, these are the timings, okay? The morning batch is like 8 a.m. to 9:30 a.m. IST, and evening batch is 7 p.m. to 9:30 p.m. IST. Okay. Now the batch started for evening sessions. Okay, you
Okay.
can see this. The evening batch is started today. Okay, this is a batch number 9. It is a batch number 9. So, sorry. This is a batch number 9. Again, the batch number 10 will be started soon. Very soon, like we'll be starting this batch number 10. That is a morning batch.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. So as like whatever the like offer that I have given to you, so if you plan accordingly, so you will be getting this offer for the batch 10 enrollments are also open for the morning batch people. So whoever wants to join the morning batch, you can pay today and you can enroll for the training, so that like you will be getting this 1,500 rupees discount as well. And also we will be giving to you the Oracle SQL classes, like which is having 15 hours of content, and again we'll be giving the first 10 lectures of the previous batch Snowflake 2, so that you'll be getting a 15 hours of Snowflake lectures also, so that like you can just like watch and practice well. And once the batch gets started, you are going to hear the same 10 classes once again in the live too. So I'm just saying this for morning batch people who want to join only morning.
So this class is evening class, please.
Yes, Samuel, actually this is evening session actually. So this is the evening session for IST people. I'm not sure like from your which time zone. So the classes will be in this time zone itself, like evening 7 to 8:30 p.m.
Okay. Because where I'm presently, your 7:30 is 2 p.m. for me.
Okay, it will be your afternoon. Yes, yes. No issues. You can just connect with me through call so that like we can help you throughout the timings as well. No need to worry about that.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, so hope everyone is good with the details and all. So if you have any questions regarding the registration or anything else, you can just ask me here. I'm here to help you.
How can I go about the registration?
Yes, definitely you can. So as I said, you can just connect with me here on the WhatsApp number 8105296858. You can just like give me a WhatsApp message. Hi, my team will be connecting with you and they'll complete your registration procedure and all.
Please, is it Raj that I'm talking to?
Sorry?
Your name, please.
This is Karthik. This is Karthik. I am from RajCloud Technologies team. So I'm the team lead here. So from my team, like you can contact anyone like Sudha. See, we have a team of 6 people here. So they are like Sudha, Varshita, Anil, Divyaraj, and Prajakta. So myself, Karthik. So we are the 6 people a team. So working for RajCloud Technologies, you can connect any of us to complete your registration. So on this WhatsApp number.
Okay, just hold on a please.
Yes.
9, yeah. 9, 6, 8, 5, 8. Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Yes. So any questions from anyone still? If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, just like I'll be sharing the link once again with you in the chat box. Just subscribe to our YouTube channel so that like you'll get all our updates, like whatever the videos will be posting in the YouTube, you can just get it. Okay. I have shared the link again in the chat box. Just click on the link and follow us.
Hello.
Yeah, Sridhar Garu. Yes, please tell me.
When will the morning batch will be started, sir?
So the morning batch, like we are planning to start very soon. So most probably like within 10 days, so we might be starting a morning batch.
Okay, okay, sir.
And Karthik, regarding the project, do we have any duration to complete the project after the course?
See, actually, the project sessions will be, you will be having 3 sessions on the complete. See, these 3 sessions are completely dedicated to the project only. Okay.
Okay.
Which includes all these 3 technologies: Snowflake, DBT, and ADF. So these sessions will be like after 35 to 38 classes, you will be having these sessions.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Yes, yes, you're welcome. Yes. So still any questions from anyone?
What is the laptop configuration for this, sir?
See, the basic laptop is fine. Okay, so if you have if you're having a laptop like which is having a good RAM like 4 GB or 6 GB, anything is fine. Okay, so just you need a fast accessing laptop. That's it. Because as we are using the cloud tools only here, so we are not using any on-premise tool here, right? So we are using only cloud tools. Only the cloud logins will be there. So if you have just like a fast accessing laptop, that is fine. Even it is a 4 GB RAM is also fine. Okay, so no need to worry about that.
That means Ryzen tablets also.
Yeah, Ryzen is also fine. Yeah.
Fine. Okay. i3 processor.
Yeah, i3, Ryzen, anything is fine. Yes.
Okay. Okay.
Yes, each and every session will be recorded, and like these videos will be uploading in our website actually. Yeah, I'll just like try to share you those things also. Just give me a moment. So you can just like log into rajinformatica.com. I'm just showing you like how to access the videos, how to access the material here. Okay, see, before logging in, you can check out my page here. In the top, I can see only the courses here. I cannot see the students option. Okay, after see here also right side top corner, you can see sign up with Google. Okay, sign up with Google. So you can directly sign up with a Google account. If you have already logged into the web browser, without giving any user ID and password, it will be logging in like this. Because I have logged in already. So you can check out here. I have logged in already. You can see right side top corner. So that is the reason why it was directly logged in. So in the students option, you can find out enroll courses, download Exvast. So this is a browser. Download Exvast is a browser. So where we use for our course content security actually. Our course security we will be using in this Exvast browser only. Whatever the content you will be watching and the live class joining, everything will be done only through this Exvast browser. Just go to the students, click on enroll courses. You can see the courses here like this. As I am the admin, I will be having all the course access here. But the people, for you people, it will be like only Snowflake DBT and ADF batch 9 it will be. I'm showing the batch 8 here actually, but you will be getting as a batch 9. The people who ever paid till now, so most probably like you also like don't go, I mean you also haven't received this enrolled course in your account. So most probably like by today you will be getting this. Okay. So after clicking on the course like this, you can see a start learning option. Click on start learning. In the left side, you can see out, you can check out here. Okay. Live session joining details. Okay. So here you can join the meeting, and here you can check out, right? Like see the session 1 to 10. Okay. 1 to 10, 11 to 20, 11 to 20. Okay. So in this way, you can check out all the videos and material. So like once after clicking on the video, you can just, I have selected session 2. Session 2 video will be playing here. Below the session itself, I can check out the material also. Just scroll down. You can see the material, session 2 material. Click on the download button. It will be redirected to a Google Drive link. If there is any material available for that particular session, you can access it here. If not, it will be like empty itself.
We cannot download the videos to our system, right? Just we need to.
No, you cannot download the videos to your system. You can download the material. To watch the video for sure, like you must have active internet connection, and you need to access from our website only. So this, see, there is an material in this session. Okay, so like this, like we'll be sharing the materials and videos with you. So videos you can watch it from here. You cannot download the videos. You can download the material actually. Yeah, hope you have seen like how to access the videos and material also, right? Yes. Yeah, Binay. So from today, like we'll be having alternative days actually. The next session will be on Friday. So I'll just check out like with each and every student. Okay, if you are comfortable with these 2 classes only for this week, I mean alternative days. Okay, so from 7th we can start the continuous classes. If not, this week also we'll go with alternative days classes like 7th, 9th, and 11th. Then from 14th, for sure, like whatever it will be, for sure it will be like a continuous classes from 14th. So I'm just like not confirming you now. I'm just like giving you an idea how it will be. I'll be contacting you everyone on 5th or 6th. I'll be contacting you, and I'll take the feedback from your end that you want the alternative days classes in the next week or the continuous classes. As per the majority, we'll be going with that option. Yeah, hope I have cleared all the questions, right? Still any questions pending? You can unmute and you can ask. If you are able to, if you are unable to unmute, you can just like text me also in the chat box, please. Yeah, hope everyone is good with the details and all. Thank you all. Thank you for joining today's session. So have a great day. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much. Yes, thank you all.
Thank you.